Hi, thanks for joining us. My name is Charles Roberts. I'm the president of Your Castle Real Estate in Denver, Colorado. I'm assuming, if you clicked on this link, that you're actually interested in investment real estate. So I want to just spend a minute or two talking about a really interesting analysis we did by comparing vacancy rates by quarter to median rent by quarter. So you can see what our market has done over this period of time, going back to 1981. So what you're going to find is that it actually makes a lot of sense. When vacancies go up and hit about 14% in the mid-80s, you see that rent don't go up. And you have a decade or more of literally no growth in rent. And if you think about inflation, it was actually a drop in rent after inflation for this long period of time. Why? Because we had high vacancy. Then vacancies started going down, and you have this really long 11-year period where the rents went up 9.5% per year. So if you were able to predict the world, you would have wanted to buy right here because you would have made so much money. But it's very difficult to do that. You can see we have low vacancy, below 6% for about 10 years, real strong market. But then, as always, markets change over time, and we went back up and had a high vacancy rate again. And you can see right here where rents stop going up. One important thing to notice is rents don't go down 20 or 30%. They go down slowly and they tend to flatten out. And this is a 12-year period where we had, once again, almost no rent growth. Not a huge amount of rent dropping, but because we had high vacancy, we didn't have rent growth anymore. Now let's talk about what's happened the last couple of years. Once again, we see that vacancies go below the 6% and we have this enormous rise in rents. And that's what we've seen the last 4 years. We've had about a 40% increase in rents. So is that sustainable? The short answer is actually no. It can't continue to go up 10% per year, nor do I expect it to, even if vacancies remain low. One interesting thing to note is this entire curve right here is only 4%. The average increase in rents going back all the way to 1981 has only gone up about 4%, not even inflation. So our metrics suggest that this actually is sustainable. We have no reason to believe that rents are going to go down anytime soon. I own a bunch of properties in Denver. I'm very comfortable with them. But we do think sooner or later this will begin to flatten out as it has and probably get back to that long-term 4%. So if you want to know any more about rentals, feel free to give us a call, come to our classes, click on our links, anything we can do to help. We'd be more than happy to. Thanks.